All right. I got called out by John Bates, Pussycat Tattoos in Las Vegas, Nevada. I'm an artist, you know, and these are his fresh, wicked tank tops. Come on now, bound by glory tradition. So he got me on the ALS challenge, ice challenge. This is full of ice, it's going down, right? It's going down. ALS. So, all right, but I'm gonna do a twist. See, I don't know anybody with ALS, but I do know some moms that have autistic children. So with that being said, I'm gonna call out the lovely sister of mine, Saline Barham. I'm gonna call out Nicole Vidro, my cousin. I'm gonna call out the lovely Amanda Palmer. I'm also gonna call out her cousin, Patty Solano.
Whoop, whoop. Sorry, Patty.
So with that being said, now you four will have to do that. So I'm gonna send my 10 to ALS, then I'm gonna send a hundo broken up into 4 to the 4 mothers. Also, I gotta add a couple brothers in there. We're gonna add Harold Calico Carpenter. I'm gonna add my man Quasi TDK the Great Jones. Y'all in it now. Called you out. All right, let's do this. Whew. Going down. Okay, Snips, you ready?
You're ready. Put it on his head.
Bless him.
Put it on his head.
Don't bitch. Let's do this.
All right, ladies.
Got me.
Oh yeah. Who wants a hug? ALS.